Alright, hello, welcome to the channel. Today you cargos will be learning calculus. This will be an expansive topic that we'll cover over future videos. Calculus is the core of change, and at the topic of change, there is derivatives. To learn about derivatives, we need to learn about speed. Speed is the rate of change, specifically the change in distance over time, which can be shown using this. That's the formula right there. It will be the change in distance over the change in time. The rate of change is the slope of the line. As you can see, it is a very straight line, so it is constant, therefore the speed will be the same. When the speed changes or accelerates, or slash accelerates, the graph becomes a curve. And in the curve, every single part of the slope, it is different at every single moment. And to find the speed, that is where derivatives come into play. When 2 points are at essentially the same point, the secant line becomes a tangent line. The slope of this tangent line is the instantaneous rate of change. It is the derivative of the function at that point. Mathematically, if we have a function fx, we denote its derivative as f prime of x, which would be this. This is the primary notation used by scientists and engineers around the world. Another common notation is a Leibniz notation, which looks like this. It visually reminds us that the derivative is a ratio of change in y over the change of x. The process of finding this derivative is called differentiation. While the fundamental concept involves limits, thankfully mathematicians have developed rules to make this process fast and straightforward, as you can see in the top right. F over fx equals x squared, f prime x equals 2x. It's pretty straightforward. If you're not a new carco, you would know where derivatives are used around the world, but I may as well tell you anyway. They're used in like physics, economics, primarily in physics though. Like the position, velocity, derivative of velocity, acceleration, all that. In economics, it's used to help companies determine the maximum profit, but we're not really Zog around here. We're not Jewish, so I don't really care about that. Thank you. Thank you for watching. This shit's so fucking trash. Next video, we'll go through the power rule, because you need to learn that.